Cascade Flats at Embrey Mill. Here at our one-level living condos, I have 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom homes available. It is an elevator building with a 1-car garage, and I have units available that are on main level. So if you prefer not to even deal with the elevator, I have a Bella or a Brea. If you prefer to go onto the 2nd floor or 3rd floor, I have 3 other floor plans. One called the Chloe, one called the Dylan, and the 3rd called the Aiden.
You have a lot of floor plans.
So I have 6 floor plans altogether, yes.
Hey my friends, I am out here at the Cascades at Embrey Mills. If you don't know where that is, it's located in Stafford, Virginia, only literally minutes from I-95. So for commuters, anyone thinking about a whole 55 plus amenities, benefits of using their own specific clubhouse, plus the clubhouse that is allocated to the single family home townhomes of Embrey Mill, this is definitely the place to be. Check out my other videos on my virtual tour of the newest condos called the Cascades at Embrey Mill. I'm Cheryl Spangler with EXP Realty, and if you're interested or thinking about buying anywhere in Stafford, all the way from Arlington to Stafford, 55 and older or single family, contact me. Thanks.